Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel with me, Monique. If you're new to this channel, I upload videos weekly about style, mindful shopping, travel, and everything in between. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you would like to take the time and click that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. So for today's video, I have a quick reveal of a Louis Vuitton SLG. I didn't actually purchase this item. It was actually gifted to me by a dear friend in New York. And I am so excited to finally have this in my collection. So let me reveal to you what's inside this dust bag. It is in fact the Louis Vuitton cosmetic pouch. I think this one is in the size PM. There are two sizes. They don't really say it's PM, they just say that this is the cosmetic pouch. But there is a bigger size that is named the GM size. And this is the smaller size. If you know me, you know that I am crazy about the Louis Vuitton travel accessories and SLG, especially in monogram. I think they are such classic, and because they are SLG, I don't mind them being in monogram canvas because they will be inside my bags, most of the time. So I will be mostly the only one that will be looking at them, and it doesn't really attract too much attention. So it has the brass zipper closure. It has the vachetta leather on the sides. So it is in the shape of like a half moon. So it's like flat on the bottom and it's curvy on the top. The first thing that I checked when I was gifted this was, of course, where it was made in. And luckily it was made in France. I stuff it with my tissue paper just to keep the shape. Inside just looks like this, and it says it's washable, but of course, because the color is beige, you could still get color transfer for, if your makeup spills. So that is the tag. It says made in France. So this is not the newer one with the chip, which I actually prefer. I love when it says like the tag. It's very simple. It has one pocket on the inside. It's a very straightforward SLG. It is, the name is cosmetic pouch, so it is intended for cosmetic. But you know me, I don't really use these pouches for cosmetic or makeup or skincare because I'm always dreading spillage or color transfer. It's like so beige underneath. I hate when these pouches become so dirty on the inside. So on the American website, I checked, this is now not really available. It says that it's out of stock, and the PM size, it is now selling for $550 and the GM is for $675. Both are out of stock at the moment for the American website. But I was also checking the French site and they're actually available. So on the French site, this one is 395 euros. It is definitely cheaper when you buy Louis Vuitton in Europe. I love to just like when I'm in Europe to get something from the Louis Vuitton stores because it's usually cheaper and you get a VAT. Now the cosmetic pouch comes in the monogram canvas, the damier ebene, the damier azur, and also the epi leather. The measurement for the cosmetic pouch is lengthwise, it's 6.7 inches, and for height is 4.7 inches, I think at the highest, and the width is 2.4 inches. The reason I'm not going to use it as cosmetic pouch at the moment, I don't really want to spill anything inside this pouch, but also on the daily basis, I don't really carry that much makeup with me that I would need this big of a pouch. But when I travel and I have to bring, all my necessities in terms of makeup, this actually doesn't fit all of them. So for those reasons, as a cosmetic pouch, for me, this doesn't work. What I plan to do is probably for travel, this could be my jewelry pouch, which I usually use my Pochette 19. But I think this is also a great alternative considering the shape of the pouch. So this will be great for that, or any catch-all when you travel, or if I am using one of my bigger bags like a Celine tote, this could also be my catch-all because literally that tote is just like one big hole, and I can put everything here, my wallet, your phone, your earphone, everything that you need you can put here, so it's not just for cosmetics. So that is what I plan to use this item for. But in general, I just love Louis Vuitton travel accessories and SLG and pouches. I think they are just so adorable and beautiful. They are very functional and very versatile in my opinion. You don't have to just like use this for cosmetic. You can use this for anything that you would need for your lifestyle. And I was so happy to be gifted this because I don't have this in my collection yet. So I feel that this completes the travel accessories collection. And of course I would still like to get a few more things from Louis Vuitton SLG, but I love this pouch. It is just so adorable. So that is my quick reveal for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like this video if you like it, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.